Hello, Wildcats. Here we are doing Mr. Burton's Link Classroom. Just want to go over as a short video regarding the assignment and what you need to do. Well, let's see. The first thing we're going to look for, what's our posted assignment? Well, I got actually two for you. One's just for fun. That's the May the 4th be with you. It's a Star Wars thing. May 4th, May the 4th be with you. May the 4th be with you. Get it? I know. I'm a kind of a geeky kind of guy sometimes. But I'm also a big time Star Wars fan. Okay? Just a little short quiz for you to answer. It's multiple choice. It's not for a grade. If you want to go through it and get a little extra points, hey, that's awesome. Okay? Just shows you're participating. Okay, but let's get down to work. Alright, Mr. Burton has posted a new assignment, math, adding the total number of coins. We're going to click on that. We're going to go to the instruction. First thing you're going to open up is going to be that answer sheet. It's going to populate a new window. And then you're going to go back to Google Classroom. And then you're going to go to the student worksheet. Okay, and you're going to count the coins. Okay, you're going to count the coins. There's only 6 of them. You can do it. I know you can. Okay, let's look at number 1. Now, I like to start with the big coins first. It makes it so much easier with the addition. Let's start with number 1. Okay, we have 2 quarters, we have 2 dimes, 2 nickels, and 4 pennies. So let's start with the quarters. 25, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Oh, I can't put my answer there because you're not. You're going to go back over to the math sheet, okay, and it's multiple choice. We counted 84 cents. Where do you see 84? I see it right there. You're going to click on that right there, okay, and then you're going to do to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, okay, and then you're going to click on that button right there where it says submit. And that's how you're going to turn in your work on the Google Classroom. Okay? Got any questions? You know how to reach me. I'll be more than happy to go over the lesson for you. I can be reached, by text, call, or by email. It's actually better to reach me by phone call or text if you want to get immediate response. I do check my email throughout the day, but I want to make sure I'm available for you. I'm there from 9 to 3. Okay? Monday through Friday. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I know you guys are going to do well on this assignment. Let's get her done. Thank you. I hope everyone's well and safe out there.